good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are YouTube. So following in from our little mouse ingress video from a couple of weeks ago, I had problems because I found that the gas dropouts inside the caravan, under the cupboard, under the fridge, the mesh was very rusty on them and it was quite weak and I was able to punch through it quite easily. So with this caravan being built basically back in the days of imperial measurements, I can't use the standard 50mm cutout because mine's actually 2 inches, which is a couple of mil bigger. So they just loose and rattle around and don't provide a very good solution. So what I've done is, using a bit of CAD experience, I've drawn up some special ones that will suit what I need to do. They're nice and flat and they're going to fit in nicely. They've been 3D printed, and now we've got some custom gas dropouts that are going to work really well, and they've got stainless steel mesh as well, so they're going to be really nice and durable. So this is just a quick overview of what the process was, and also we've got a slight problem with some condensation inside the front window, and we're going to go about how we're going to deal with that as well.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Ooh. Never gonna stop now, baby.
The gas drop points in this 1985 ABI have just pretty much just rotted away, so it's a bit of a worry. So using one of these 3D printed plates, I can't use a standard off-the-shelf part there
because this caravan is designed pre-metric, and that is 2 inches, not 50mm, so it just falls straight through. So we've already pre-cleaned the floor as best we can. It's plenty clean enough for what we're doing. It's just a matter of peeling off this decidedly stubborn adhesive. And this has a clear gel adhesive on it, which is very, very good stuff. There we go. And this really hangs on. There's no way a rodent is ever going to be able to punch through this. This stuff is quite something. And then we can just literally position it over. And that's it. Protected from rodent ingress.
Moisture trapped in the windows is quite a common problem on older caravans, and basically means that somewhere along the line there's been a breach in the window. In this one, the front window's been sealed shut, certainly fixed shut, but it's actually been these points here which have now sealed over, where it's wired shut, which have been the cause of the water ingress. These are now being sealed over completely, so everything on the external is watertight. So all I've got to do to make sure I don't trap the moisture in here is, going inside, just drill a small hole, and that'll allow the moisture to escape. Once that's then escaped, I just seal over that hole with anything, and that will mean the window's going to stay clear.
And moving inside, I've drilled a very small hole right at the top of the window, and all that is a little tiny hole that's going to allow that moist air to come out as it dries, and then I will simply seal over this once the window's completely clear.
So there you go, that's all there is to it. If you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe button, please do leave a comment, and I will see you soon.